There is an important fact about natural water that many people don't know. Natural water bodies such as ponds, rivers, and lakes inherently have the ability to purify and regenerate themselves. In unpolluted water, soil-derived components, microorganisms, aquatic plants, and organic matter exist and interact with each other to maintain water quality balance. However, in many water bodies today, the burden from human activities has exceeded the natural purification capacity, leaving the water unable to activate its inherent recovery power. When waste and organic matter increase in the water, microorganisms begin breaking them down, producing substances such as ammonia. Then a large amount of oxygen is consumed during this decomposition process. As oxygen becomes depleted, the natural purification cycle can no longer be sustained. Then, the environment shifts to decomposition processes that do not use oxygen. As a result, hydrogen sulfide is generated, producing a foul, rotten odor. The Environmental Water Purification System, IRS, is a device that activates the natural purification mechanisms originally present in water. So what happens inside polluted water bodies when IRS is operating? When IRS operates, water containing ionized oxygen is released into the water, generating reactive oxygen species known as superoxide. This oxygen is more reactive than ordinary dissolved oxygen and promotes continuous purification reactions through electron exchange. In the water, hydrogen peroxide is generated from superoxide, which then reacts with iron ions present in the water and soil to produce hydroxyl radicals. This strong oxidative flow makes organic matter, oils, ammonia-derived substances, and odor-causing components easier to break down into finer forms. Ammonia, in particular, is quickly broken down and converted into nitrite, which in nature further transforms into nitrogen gas and is released. At the same time, as oxygen spreads throughout the water, the environment becomes more oxidative, making it difficult for anaerobic bacteria that cause foul odors to thrive. As a result, the generation of odors such as hydrogen sulfide is suppressed, leading to odor reduction. Hydroxyl radicals neutralize harmful bacteria, including E. coli, by breaking down their cellular structures. Under these conditions, phosphate is absorbed by iron and sludge and no longer remains in the water column. The activity of microorganisms involved in purification also becomes more active, and the natural decomposition process accelerates. In other words, IRS delivers oxygen into polluted water without using any chemicals, regulates electron movement, and creates an environment where chain decomposition reactions can easily occur. IRS has obtained NSF certification in the United States, proving that it meets international safety standards and has no harmful side effects when used in natural environments.